Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for vector. So kindly refers to the question, given the two straight line where we have L1 and L2. A. Show that the L1 and L2 are not parallel. So kindly refers to the formula. So refers to the situation and we notice that if we have A cross with the B, if we have 0, so it means that it is parallel. So now what we have to do is to show the situation. So refers to the L1, kindly have the situation Cartesian equation of a straight line and we have to change it to parametric equation. So for example, here we have x is equals to 1 minus 3t. Continue, we have y is equals to negative 2 plus with the 8t. Then we have the z which is equals to 0 minus 3t. So that is the L1. Focus on the L2. Here we have the situation x is equals to negative 2 plus with the 10t. Y is equals to 10t. Z is equals to 4 minus 7t. So that is the parametrics. Then from there, we notice that we can have the vector equation r equals to 1, negative 2, 0 plus t bracket negative 3, 8, negative 3. So here we have the direction, we call it V1. Focus on the second L. We have the situation r equals to bracket negative 2, 0 and 4 plus with the t bracket 10, 10 and negative 7. So that is the V2, the direction for the L2. So next what we have to do is to have the V1 cross V2. So here we have I, J and K. Kindly substitute negative 3, 8, negative 3. Continue 10, 10 and negative 7. Here we have I, J and we have the K. So in order to find the I, we have negative 56 plus with the 30. Continue, we have 21 plus with the 30. Then focus on the K and we have negative 30 minus with the 80. So finally, V1 cross with the V2, which is equals to, we have negative 26i. Continue, we have negative 51j. Finally, we have negative 110k. And we notice that it is not equals to 0. So from here, what does it mean? It means that L1 and L2 are not parallel vector. So we already showed the situation. Next, continue. The question said find the acute angle between the two lines. So my suggestion is to make use of a formula A cross with the B equals to magnitude A, magnitude B, sine theta. So kindly substitute the situation. So in here we have the V1 cross V2. So the magnitude will be 26 squared plus 51 squared plus 110 squared equals to magnitude for A, where we have the V1, 9 plus with 64 plus with the 9. Multiply with, we have the second, which is the V1, 100 plus with the 100 plus 49 sine theta. So simplify the situation and we have sine theta is equals to 0.8678191061 and etc. So theta is equals to 60.21 degree. So that is the acute angle between the two straight lines. B. Determine the intersection point between the L1 and the plane. So meaning that we have to substitute the x, y, z, or we say the parametric equation of the L1 into the equation pi. So here we have 2x minus we have the y plus we have 5z equals to negative 25. So kindly expand. 2, we have minus 6t plus with the 2 minus 8t minus 15t equals to negative 25. So kindly simplify. So here we have negative 29t equals to negative 29. So t is equals to 1. So kindly substitute the situation into this part so that we can get the value for x, y and z. So x is equals to negative 2. Y is equals to 6. Z is equals to negative 3. So the coordinate would be -2, 6, and -3. The points of intersection between the L1 and the plane pi. C. Find the equation of the plane containing the L1 and the L2. So kindly refers to the situation. Let's say we have the L1, we have the point, and also the direction, where we name it as V1. Continue. We have the second line, let's say in this part. We have the point, -2, 0, 4, and also the V2, which is 10, 10, and -7. So in order to find the plane, we must have R dot n is equals to A dot n. So in here, the n, which is the normal, so here we have the normal. So how to find the normal? First, what we have to do is to cross the V1 cross with the V2. So previously, we already have the situation V1 cross V2, which is -26i minus 51j and then minus 110k. So that is the situation for the part A. So continue the situation. Next, what we have to do is to substitute the situation into the formula, and we make use of the point, which is the 1, -2, 0, or we may use -2, 0, and 4. So kindly substitute x, y, and z. Dot with the situation -26, -51, -110 equals to A, 1, -2, 0, dot with -26, 51, -110. So that is the vector equation of the situation. If you are interested in Cartesian, you may expand -26x, -51y, and -110z equals to, we have the situation -26 plus 102 and then plus with the 0. Kindly simplify. So we have -26x minus 51y minus 110z is equals to 76. Or you may express your answer 26x plus 51y plus 110z is equals to -76. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe.